Azhimala. So today's visit is Azhimala temple. Well, Azhimala, not Azhimala. Azhimala is in near Kannur. Azhimala. There's a beach and there's a big statue of Shiva, and apparently there's a cave temple as well. We'll try to see that. So it's right at the ocean front. Nice beach. I had visited this place 2 years ago when I came. It was nice and sunny, nice and hot. Today it's drizzling. No problem. Not a big rain, just drizzling. So we went to the cave temple. Couldn't take any photographs, so we just got out. We got the camera and cell phone back. So this is the Shiva idol at Azhimala. So we had the cave temple cave, but no photography allowed there. So this is the only one. And so like I said, I was here 2 years ago, and I did not know about the cave. So this time I got to see it. It's beautiful. If you have the time, go in and see it. The idols, it's made somewhere else and put there, I believe. Some of them are, I don't know. It just didn't jive with the mythology to me. Okay, not what I have read or understood, but you be the judge. Go see it and see if you like it. It's a nice time pass. You can go. It's a nice. Keep saying nice. A cool place. Lots of narrow pathways. So it is a cave, but the depiction of the idols, the Shiva and all the other gods, it just didn't seem right with me. What is it? Well, you come and see and you will know what I'm talking about. Okay? So if you're here in Trivandrum area, Kovalam area, don't miss it. Go see and you decide. The problem with the cave temple is that I didn't know that we were going there, and it was cell phone was prohibited. What I could have done is bring my glasses and taken the pictures. I did not know that. So next time, I think I might end up coming here again. So at that time, I will try to take some pictures.